Hello students, welcome to Chemistry World. Today we'll discuss some important questions from IIT JAM. IIT JAM 2016 দুইটা কোশ্চেন আসছিলা কোশ্চেন নম্বর 17 and question number 18. These questions are belongs from coordination chemistry. দুইটা কোশ্চেন coordination chemistry আসছিলা কোশ্চেন কোন ଥିଲା question number 17. The true statement about copper octahedral complex is CuH2O6 complex is all option A ଥିଲା କ'ଣ all C copper and oxygen bond lengths are equal. Option B, one copper oxygen bond length is shorter than the remaining 5. And one copper oxygen bond length is shorter, small than other bond lengths. Option C ଥିଲା 3 Cu bond lengths are shorter than the other 3 bond lengths. Option D ଥିଲା 4 copper oxygen bond lengths are shorter. Means যদি ଆମେ ଦେଖିବା copper structure, the structure of CuH2O6 complex, octahedral complex, this is a structure. 4 water molecules are present in one plane and 2 H2O are present, one is below, one is upper the plane. Here the bond is copper and oxygen. This is here copper oxygen bond. କ'ଣ କହିଲି ଦେଖ ଏଠି କ'ଣ ହେଇଛି ନା copper oxygen bond all are equal. ଅପସନ୍ ଏରେ କ'ଣ କହିଛି ଏଇ ଯେଉଁ ଅକ୍ଟାହେଡ୍ରାଲ କମ୍ପ୍ଲେକ୍ସରେ ଯେଉଁ ବଣ୍ଡ ଅଛି କପର ଅକ୍ସିଜେନର ବଣ୍ଡ ସମସ୍ତ ବଣ୍ଡ କ'ଣ ହେବ all Cu bond lengths are equal. First option. Second one is shorter, means these options are you can do these options by using ZTD concept. ZTD, John Taylor distribution. John Taylor distribution the concept asthila it is Z in and Z out. If you know what is Z in and Z out, you can solve this question. এই question আমি solve କରି ପାରିବା. This question is solved by using Z in Z out concept. তো ଦେଖିବା what is Z in and what is Z out. Z out କ'ଣ Z in. See here. solve କରିବା. ZTD, John Taylor distribution, classified in two parts. This is Z out and Z in. What is Z out, what is Z in? देखिए एठी. From crystal field theory, you know that the d orbital is splitted in two parts, that is T to G and Eg. T to J and Eg. Well, suppose consider this is D9 complex. Suppose this is D9 octahedral complex. This is split in two parts, that is T to G and Eg. Electrons are filled. They are 1, 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 electrons are filled. See here, the T to G is symmetrical field. The electrons are symmetrical field. The electrons are distributed in equal. There is two electrons. There is also two electrons. There is also two electrons. Means dxy orbital re dita electron ଅଛି, dyz re dita electron ଅଛି, dzx re dita electron. This symmetrical filling. But see here in Eg, that is dx square minus y square and dz square. Two orbitals. Here two orbitals are on symmetrical filling. So on symmetrical filling of a electron. So there is ZTD is present. If ZTD is found, John Taylor distribution is found, then this is further splitted. Again, this is a further splitted. That is Suppose you consider dx square minus y square is the higher orbital. Suppose this is having higher energy, this is lower energy. All you are know that the axial orbital which is goes to a higher energy level, then similarly here also that axial orbital goes to higher energy level. Means it dxy ଅଛି xy ଏଠି କୋଉଠି ଅଛି xy ଏଠି ଅଛି dxy ये ଯଦି ଉପରକୁ ଗଲା ଇଏ ବି ଉପରକୁ ଗଲା. These two are in lower energy. So electrons are again filling. Suppose 1, 2. See here. This is 4 electron. Here there is 2 electrons. 2 4 6. Then this is 8 and 9. যদি আমি কোটি দেখিবা dx square minus y square is the higher energy level and dz square is the lower energy level, then you can say this is called z out complex. If the electron density means the 2 electron or maximum electron present in dz square, if maximum electron present in dz square, then you can say this is a z out complex. zn कौन हम तो एडी पुणी लिखि दूची एडी कौन एडी तो माने here this is dyz dzx, this is dxy, then dz square, then dx square minus square. This is the configuration for z out. Again, if the configuration is found, suppose the configuration is as dz square is the higher energy level, dz square is the higher energy level, and dx square minus y square lower, then this is 2 orbital. This is 2 orbital is goes to higher, means dyz dxz. Again the lower is dxy dxy. This configuration is for Zn. Now देखिए the electrons are filled in this order. dxy, this is dxy, this is dyz and dzx xz, dx square minus y square dz square. This is Zn complex. When you see this type of configuration, then you can say z out. आम देखा ये कौन द कम्प्लेक्स CuH2O 6 2 plus. This complex that the oxidation state of copper is your copper oxidation state है 3D10 4S1, copper 2 plus कौन हो 3D9, D9 complex. So same as above, but that is the electron first splitting ହେଇଥିଲା କ'ଣ T2G 3 orbital. This is Eg dx square minus y square, this is dz square, this is dxy dyz dzx. Electrons are filled 1 2 3 here 4 5. Here H2 is weak field ligand, H2 is weak field ligand. So first what on pair is present, then pairing starts. So 6, then 7 8. Here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, then 9. So this is unsymmetrical. So further splitting, if this is splitting, then this is also splitted because the ligand comes in the direction. If it comes in xy direction, if ligand comes in xy direction, x and y direction, then the xy orbitals are goes to higher energy level. See here, this is splitted in 2 parts. this is dz square, this is dx square minus y square. Again this is splitted also, dx square minus y square goes to higher level, so dxy goes to higher level. So dxy, again here dyz dzx. Electron 1 2 3 4 5 6. See here, all the orbitals are symmetrical field. Here this is symmetrical field, here also symmetrical field, this is symmetrical field. There is no ZTD, there is no not required to further splitting. You know that. What is this? This is a Z out, this is Z out. So copper H2O6 gives what? Z out. This is Z out complex. So if found that the complex is Z out रे कौन हुए, Z out रे complex रे कौन हुए, four bonds are equal and shorter than, four bonds are equal and shorter than the other two bonds. These four bonds are shorter than the other two bonds. If Z in configuration is found, then what? Four bonds, sorry, two bonds are shorter. Two bonds are shorter than what? Other four bonds. This is a concept. If Z out configuration is present, then four bonds are shorter than the two bonds. If Zn complex present, then two bonds are shorter than the other four bonds. Z out means what? Elongation. It is the elongation. Z in means this is compression. This is a compression. Structure देखिए एठी, जब हम structure देखिवा Z out कौन हो एठी ना copper, this is H2O, these two bonds, see here, these two bonds are longer, H2O, this is H2O, this is Z out configuration. For Z out, these two bonds are what? Longer, means elongation takes place. These four bonds are shorter. But if Zn shifts Zn, then these two bonds are shorter, then these four bonds are longer, means compression takes place. H2O, H2O, H2O. This is Z for Zn. Zn. क्वेश्चन देखिए एठी, क्वेश्चन कौन थिला एठी कहि पारे हम एठी the true statement about this what? This is Z out complex. So what option is the four C bonds are shorter. Now remaining two bonds. This is the correct answer.